Good morning, dear students. Again, welcome back in the class. Some more problems based on quadrilateral. This is theorem 8.7. Yesterday we considered up to the theorem 8.6. In this theorem, it is given that diagonals are bisecting each other. Then prove that it is a parallelogram. So this is the figure. ये ABCD क्वाड्रिलेटरल है जिसके डायगोनल्स आर इंटरसेक्टिंग एट O such that OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. This is given. We have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. ये parallelogram होगा, ये हमें प्रूव करना है. So we can consider triangle AOB and COD. This one OA is equal to OC. This is given. Angle 1 is equal to 2 vertical opposite angle. OB is equal to OD. This is also given. So therefore triangle AOB become congruent to COD by SAS rule. So by simplicity angle 3 is equal to 4, which is a pair of alternate angle. So line AB become parallel to CD. AB और CD parallel होंगी. Similarly we can prove BC parallel to AD. So therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Now the next example. First, in this question example first we have to prove that each angle of the rectangle is 90 degree. ये rectangle है. In this figure we have to prove that each angle of the rectangle is 90 degree. So given ABCD is a rectangle. To prove if this is rectangle, then by the definition any one angle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree. To prove angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. I given you the definition that ABCD, if ABCD is a rectangle, then any one angle of the rectangle will be 90 degree. So we have to prove here the remaining angles will be also 90 degree. Proof: since ABCD is a rectangle, therefore angle A is equal to 90 degree. ये गिवन है. Therefore ABCD is also a parallelogram. By definition, therefore angle A is equal to angle C. Opposite angle angles of parallelogram are equal. We have proved it already. So using first, therefore angle C is equal to 90 degree. Using first, since AD parallel to BC, opposite side of parallelogram, and AB is a transversal line. Therefore, if these two sides are parallel and this line intersecting them, so therefore we can find result angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. रीजन लिखेंगे को इंटीरियर एंगल, को इंटीरियर एंगल्स. तो देयरफॉर एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस ए को ट्रांसफर कर देंगे विच वैल्यू इज 90 डिग्री यूजिंग फर्स्ट. सो एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, इसको सेकेंड नाम देंगे. बट एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. देयरफॉर एंगल डी इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री यूजिंग सेकेंड. सो देयरफॉर एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू angle C is equal to D is equal to 90 degree, which is your result, hence proved. Second question, second example now, example second. Show that diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular to each other. हमारे पास जो गिवन है उसमें ये रोम्बस है. ABCD is a rhombus. It is given in the question, and we have to prove that diagonals are perpendicular to each other, means this angle is 90 degree. गिवन लिखेंगे ABCD is a rhombus whose diagonals are intersecting at O. To prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. No construction, then proof. Since ABCD is a rhombus, therefore ABCD is also a parallelogram. By definition, अगर ये रोम्बस है तो ये पैरेललोग्राम भी होगा. therefore OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. First number, one and two. Now triangle AOB and triangle COB, OA is equal to OC from first, OB is equal to OB common, AB is equal to BC side of rhombus. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by S rule. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Equation number second, CPCT. But angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Third number, region linear pair. Angles which are standing on the same line, then the sum of both angle is always 180. From second and third, angle 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. Example number third. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. AD bisect exterior angle PAC. हम इसको प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, देन इट बिकम एक्सटीरियर एंगल, तो ये इसका बाइसेक्टर होगा. दिस इज ऑल्सो गिवन. दिस पॉइंट बिकम P and CD parallel to AD इसका बाइसेक्टर है, और ड्रो लाइन सच दैट AB पैरेलल टू CD. ये दोनों लाइनें आपकी पैरेलल हैं. देन वी हैव टू प्रूव एंगल DAC इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू BCA. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Given ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Angle PAC and AD is bisector of exterior angle PAC. Such that AB parallel to CD. ये given है. To prove, there are two results. One is angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. Number two, ABCD is a parallelogram. Proof. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is given. Therefore angle B is equal to angle C, angles opposite to equal side. Since PAC is an exterior angle, therefore angle PAC is equal to angle B plus angle C. This is exterior angle property. जब भी हम किसी ट्राइंगल की एक साइड को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल इन दोनों के सम के इक्वल होता है. एंगल बी एंड सी आर इक्वल, हम इसको 1 नंबर देंगे. तो देयरफॉर एंगल पीएसी is equal to twice of angle C. This is equation number 2. Since but angle PAC is equal to angle PAD plus angle CAD. ये जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल होगा, this will be the sum of these two angles. But AD bisect angle PAC, therefore angle PAD is equal to angle CAD. Give name third and give name fourth. Using third and fourth, एंगल PAC, ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है. सो दिस एंगल बिकम PAC become twice of angle because these two are equal. Because we want to make the relation between these two angles, so we comes on this angle twice of angle CAD. Give name fifth. From second and fifth, सेकेंड में PAC एंगल ट्वाइस ऑफ C है, ये ट्वाइस ऑफ CAD है. So second and fifth twice of angle C is equal to twice of angle CAD. 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया and this is your result. Therefore angle BCA is equal to angle CAD, which is a pair of alternate angles. Therefore BC parallel to AD but AB parallel to CD is given. Therefore ABCD is parallelogram. Hence proved. Thank you.